Hello, Clive Enever, business strategist, and I wanted to introduce you to the Business Wisdom 2024 Strategic Planner. You might say, why do I want a strategic planner? It's a really good question, and the answer is absolutely wonderful, because through the years I've run into a tremendous number of people who have difficulty achieving goals. Now, the major reason they have a difficulty achieving goals is not being able to remain focused on what is going to deliver the achievement of the goal. The thing about having a strategic planner is, one, you can write down what your goals are, which of course is very, very important. Secondly, this strategic planner allows you to monitor everything that you do. Because it allows you to monitor everything that you do, you can now evaluate the activity you've undertaken to see whether or not it actually did something for you. That is, did the activity that you undertook achieve the outcome? If so, can you do better? Did the activity allow you to achieve the outcome? No, it didn't. What did we not do? What do we need to change? Because you're able to evaluate your activity and it's all in one place, it makes it really easy for you to achieve whatever the outcome is that you're looking for. At the end of the day, setting a goal is only part of the exercise. First, we have to identify what it is that we want. Okay, now we have our goal. Write it down. Write it down, and now write down what you're going to do to achieve that goal. Put it all in the one place. Now undertake the activity. Having undertaken the activity, evaluate what you've done. Evaluate the whole process. Because you've got things written down in your planner, you can do that very, very simply. Let's dive in and have a look at what this planner has within. So here is the 2024 Business Wisdom Strategic Planner. And we find when we look inside that we have plenty of opportunity for you as a business owner to put in the information that you want and to identify your goals, your objectives, to be able to plan how you're going to achieve them and to monitor them. It starts out with putting in your personal information and a guide on how to use the planner. Inside, write down the details of your business. Why do we want to write down the business details for you? Because you're the one who needs to know what they are, and it's really easy when you're out there in the field day after day after day doing whatever it is that you're doing to move away from precisely what it is that you're about. Your mission statement, really, really important. Another important thing about this planner is that you can see there's a QR code there. If you follow that QR code, it will take you to a course on how to use the planner and gives you particular details on how to arrive at your mission statement, your values, etc. throughout that course. So write down the details of your business. What is your mission? What is your vision? Then you can write down all the details about your ideal customer. What's the benefit of knowing who your ideal customer is? It means that you know who you can work with and get a good result, because it's providing a good result for the customer and it's providing a good result for you. There is nothing more damaging in business than to try and work with somebody who is not your ideal customer. The customer gets frustrated, you get frustrated. It very often ends very poorly. Write down the details about your sales cycle so that you understand at any time within any relationship with a prospective customer whether or not this is going well. Being able to identify that, again, saves time, saves frustration, saves working with the customer who is not your ideal customer. What about your SWOT analysis? Put down the details of your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. Put these down so that you know who you can deal with, under what conditions, and to be aware of what opportunities are going to pop up, possibly, and be aware of what threats are possibly going to appear. When you know these things and remind yourself regularly, it means that you're aware you can stay in front of the game. And then it's about exploiting your strengths. It's about overcoming those weaknesses. It's about exploiting the opportunities. It's about overcoming the threats. Now, what's the brand strategy? Put down your brand strategy so that, again, you can stay on track. This talks about smart goal setting. Smart goal setting is where you identify precisely what it is that you want, and you know how to go out and get it. Write down your goals. They're really, really important. You've got business goals. There's a page on how to understand what that goal is all about. You're reminded about Maslow's hierarchy of needs, which will help you understand where your customers are at any given point. There's the yearly planner. Having made plans for the entire year, understand what it is that you need to do to achieve those plans. So you've got your master to-do list. Sometimes goals spread across a year become somewhat overwhelming. Break them down, turn them into quarterly goals. You can also look at what are your SWOT details, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats for this particular quarter. And now we're into the months. Okay? Break everything down. A year can be overwhelming. Even a quarter can be overwhelming, but break it down. Put it into the months. And now we've got ideas. What can we do? And what actions do we need to take to deliver the outcomes that we want? You can also track your expenses and income. Put it in one place so you can see really clearly at any day, any given time within that month, how are you tracking on your goals? More planning. Write down your business objectives, your personal objectives, your 3 major goals. To obtain your copy of the 2024 Business Wisdom Strategic Planner, follow the links in this post and you'll have it with you very, very shortly. Make your 2024 the best year yet.